I recently told you that it was impossible to embed a LinkedIn video, a native video, in a LinkedIn article. Not true. Someone told me their hack, and I'm going to share it with you coming right up. Hey, this is Dane Golden from Hey.com. I do these videos because I love helping marketers and business owners just like you grow your customer community through helpful how-to videos. So start now by hitting the subscribe button and click the bell so you don't miss anything. So I was wrong when I told you you could not embed a LinkedIn video into a LinkedIn article. So these are the LinkedIn, not posts, but pulse. Remember the pulse, LinkedIn article, LinkedIn blog post, whatever you want to call it. It's different than a status update. You can put a LinkedIn video in a status update. You can put a YouTube video in it too. I thought you could only embed a YouTube video or a Vimeo video into a LinkedIn article. Not true. And I was corrected on this by String Wen. She is an expert on LinkedIn video. And of course she knew and she showed me how to do it right. So I'm sharing it with you. So you have a LinkedIn blog post here, as I do, and you want to add a LinkedIn embedded video, not a YouTube embedded video, not a Vimeo embedded video, but you posted a video on LinkedIn and you want to embed that into a LinkedIn article. You click this plus here and you click on the video here. Now this says YouTube, Vimeo, and more. It doesn't say anything about LinkedIn video, but you can. What you do is you go to where the LinkedIn video is, and then you click this area here, and you'd think you'd add a link, but you don't. You click embed this post, and then what I want to do is not have the entire post. I just want the video itself. So I'm going to uncheck include full post. I'm going to copy the code. Now here I am backed on the LinkedIn article. I'm going to paste that code right in there, and it's automatically saved, and that can play right there. If you found this helpful, please watch this next video or just follow me on LinkedIn. Dane Golden, Hey.com's the business.